Hi, welcome back. 12th question of the day, and there is no answer here. That's a printer mistake. How delivery item category will be determined? Delivery item category. Please listen carefully with reference to sales order. Now the tricks comes into picture. Let's see the options. Item uses high level item category group for delivery document. Why? Item category copied from material master. So what? Item category copied from plan to material master. What we have to do? Copy control between sales document and delivery document. What is your immediate thought? All is correct. Classic answer. The item category is delivery determined based on the item category of the corresponding item in the sales document. Lengthy answer. Choose the right answer among all the options, whichever it is available. Okay, let's try to get into this. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel, and I'm just providing links of my Udemy below of this video. If you are interested, you can able to subscribe and try to increase your knowledge base stronger in SAP SD and S4 HANA. So this is the profile. I'm holding 3,632 students and SAP SD sales and distribution. This is around 90 hours now. Oh, surprise. It is near to 90 hours and 310 lectures. I'm planning to do 100 hours. Bless me. I would like to transfer all my knowledge, whatever I worked the last 10 years. Whichever I know, I'll push these courses. And this is for S4 HANA beginner course and getting master to write a functional specification with RISEF. This is the course specifically useful for all folks. Okay, irrespective of any SAP module. SAP SD complete pricing concepts. And if you would like to learn advanced in pricing, this is S4 HANA recorded. Very less changes for S4 HANA. And this is for rebates. Let's see a few other courses like I have few other courses like transportation. This is specific for European region tax determination for plant abroad. Okay. So this is for business process S4 HANA and ECC also there. If you really like it, you can subscribe my courses. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great time. Jai Hind. Thank you. Have a great day. All the best.